Hey pals, welcome back to our channel. My name is Eunice.
And I'm Amanda.
So today we will be battling each other in a cooking challenge. So here are the rules. In front of us are a bunch of ingredients. We will be told the name of the dish but not the instructions. So these are some unrelated ingredients placed on the table to confuse us.
Okay, so we have some mangoes. We have some chili, onion, and soy sauce. Okay.
I saw condensed milk. Oh, evaporated pet creamer. Alright. That's a very weird combination. Okay, so we are supposed to cook Tom Yam Mee Hoon with
Mangoes?
an evaporated creamer.
I have no idea how's that going to turn out.
Should be okay? I have confidence.
Okay.
I think we need to wash.
My knife is not working with me.
A good chef can cook with whatever they have been prepared.
I'm crying from my knife chopping skills and my onion.
Hey, you said you don't know how to cook, right? You don't copy me, okay?
Can you don't stand like that? You're blocking my feng shui.
No, I'm blocking your vision. Don't copy me. Is it like too much chili or what?
Unless you plan to make it hotter than no matter, sure, why not? My God, just add the chili party again.
I did.
Congratulations.
I don't like ginger. What's this? So what's next? What do they add to this? Asam Jawa extra. How many prawns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, each of us get 3 prawns.
You know you can put it back.
No, I have plans for shells.
I'm really scared of your friend.
Stay tuned. Watch to the end and see what I do with the shell.
How is she peeling for prawns so fast? That's it. Laugh at my misery.
Who knows, maybe you'll end up cooking a better Tom Yam Mee Hoon than me, right? I highly doubt that. Let me wash it a bit. So I'm going to take around
Is it enough? I'm not sure.
just follow your instinct.
I mean follow when my ancestors tell me to stop.
Yeah, exactly. Everything. The trick about cooking is follow your instinct, follow what ancestors is telling you, and agak-agak.
Where is the... Oh.
Apparently, we only have a frying pan and a saucepan for us, so I shall give you the frying pan. Okay, I shall cook with the saucepan.
This is the only decent thing she's done for me today.
Wait, but I think this suits better here. Really not, this one bigger, this one smaller. So I use the smaller one. Correct.
I'm sauteing the shells, so you know you get the smell, the freshness and the sweetness from the prawns into the oil. Okay, let's do it.
So first, we're going to fry this.
Make sure I remove all the shells. Okay. Okay, so you can see this is oil with the essence of the prawn. I think we are not supposed to add the chili here, but anyways, it's probably time to put in this. I'm putting half of the Tom Yam paste, leaving half for Amanda. This is how kind I am.
I'm gonna get the... And start frying this. The Tom Yam paste. Add the prawns.
prawns, I guess.
My hot cake.
Oh my god. I know to some of you this is very watery, but we're going to reduce it. So we're just gonna eyeball this.
Only one packet.
The rest of the ingredients goes in. And then you're probably wondering, why am I not doing this as a last step? I have my reasons. The first one is I just want an easy toss. My second reason is I want things fast.
Why is it uneven? I just realized something. Actually, I should have put the taugeh in first. But I forgot about my taugeh. So I'm going cover it, cook it underneath, let it. I forgot about my shrimp as well. And the shrimp. See, I messed it up. I add in a shrimp at the end, and now the shrimp is not cooking. It's very slow, and I'm very worried it will stick on the pan. So I'm going to cover it. What's the sugar? I just not add sugar.
I just realized that may have been a little bit too spicy. I wonder if aha, you do have tomato sauce. Great, it's just going to give it some color. So as you see, it's starting to reduce a bit more. But because we add the puree, so it looks a bit thicker, so we're going to add a bit more water than I introduced before we toss it.
At this point, I can just turn off. I think the shrimps are good. It's looking good. I know, right? It's very spicy. I'm not sure if because I put too much chili or because of the paste itself is spicy.
I think we both kind of overdid it with the chili and the paste.
Okay, let's add a bit salt. Too much.
Aha, you do have.
Let's do this. A pinch of sugar. Another trick is that if your paste is too sour, you can add sugar.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's everywhere. See? This is why you shouldn't ask a person who doesn't know how to cook to do this challenge. There's one thing I have to agree with Eunice is that it's easier to use chopstick and cook. So I'm going to put this aside. I think it looks good, right? I think so. I'm not sure how that going to taste.
I need to just use this plate. Okay, this bear with me.
You know what? I'm just going to.
And I'm done. I hope it looks good, right? To me, it looks good. Whatever. I hope it tastes as good as how it looks. So, ta-da! So we have finished ours. Okay, it's the same thing, but looks completely different.
I think mine looks a little burnt compared to yours.
I think yours look like authentic street food kind of style, a bit burnt, but it's like you look okay and everything's good.
I have no idea what he's talking about, but okay.
Okay, mine looks like it's aesthetically.
She looks like it came right out of a restaurant.
Yeah, but it looks nice. It doesn't taste good. It looks like that, but I hope it looks as good as it tastes as good as it looks. So how will we rate this? Is that we will let our team to try out ours and they will vote lah which one is better. Okay, so now everyone has tasted our masterpiece, and so we will let the judge vote
Then after that, we will say our opinion about each other's.
Okay,
Okay?
fair point.
Alright, who votes for Amanda's? Please raise your hand. Okay, 3. Am I going to lose or this is going to be even? Okay, 3 out of 3. Who votes for mine? No. 1? Is it that bad? Oh my god! I was so confident. I am like a narcissist right now.
Maybe kalau tambah garam sikit, maybe ada rasa sebab Amanda punya rasa dekat situ, tom yam dia ada rasa tom yam. Cuma dia punya bihun ada keras sikit dan susah untuk makan lah. Tapi rasa dia cukup dekat situ. But yours, dia punya rasa kurang sedikit, tapi dia mudah untuk dimakan dan lagi sedap je sebenarnya. Actually semua dulu sedap, cuma beza dia you punya maybe untuk orang yang kurang masih mungkin lah.
For all you students and young people out there, or anyone of all ages, if you like to get more recipes, or maybe you like to cook a better tom yum fried bihun than the both of us, you can refer to the student cookbook, which is also available on
Our app, Learning Pal. So you just have to search student cookbook and this is what you get. Shall we look into the recipes and see if we did it right? If you like this video, remember to subscribe to our Learning Pal YouTube channel and all our social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram, and see you on the next challenge. Bye!